Hello everyone, welcome back with Fusion 360 Basic 3D Modeling tutorial for exercise number 11. Okay, first in here we can create new sketch and I will choose Valen. You can create circles, start from this point. I will set for diameter into 60. The next we can create polygons. You can click create and choose polygon. I will use Inscript polygons. Click from this point to the top. We can set for distance into 48 and then for items you can set into 7 for side. You can press enter. The next we can create circles, start from this point. I will set for diameter into 20 and we create again circle from this point with diameter 10. The next you can use a trim command to cut this circle. And now I will use a circular pattern. You can click create and click a circular pattern. In here for object we can select these two objects, and for center point I will click at this point. The next you can change items in here. We can set into 7. And now in here we can set into express. Okay, you can check for surprise in here. And then I will uncheck for these objects. The next you can click OK. Now we can use a trim command to cut these objects, okay, these line objects. Also we can cut at this point. The next in here, okay, at this point, and now in here. Okay, we can create line, start from this point, and I will move to the bottom here. We can set for length into 100 and for angle into 85 degree. Okay, we create again circle. We create line from this point into here. We can set length into 100 and for angle 95 degree. We can use circle command. We can use 2-point options. We can click from this point into here. The next I will use a trim command to cut the circle objects and this line objects. Okay, now in here we can create a circle, start from this point. I will set for diameter into 10, and the next circle we can set diameter into 4. Okay, you can see in here. And now you can use these tools, rectangular patterns. For object you can select these two objects. And then for distance we can use spacing. For direction I will set in here. You can move to the top and we can set for distance into 15. For items quantity you can change into 8. The next you can click OK to apply. Now you can click finish sketch. And then in here to convert into 3D models I will use extrude tools. You can click here extrude. We can select at this face. We can extrude into 10 for extrusions and you can click OK. The next we can active for sketch 1. So it will be show. You can click this icon to show, and then in here we can use extrude again. You can extrude at these regions. You can click one by one. Don't forget to use middle mouse. Press hold to use pen option, so you can drag the drawings. And then in here we can set for extrusion into 20. You can click OK to apply. Next you also can hide again for sketch 1. And then we already create these simple 3D models for exercise number 11 with Fusion 360 software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.